Are you ready to unlock the power of artificial intelligence and revolutionize your industry? Well, you're in for a treat. Today I'm going to introduce you to an incredible tool called AI4Biz.co, designed to help you explore the endless possibilities of AI in your business or profession. Imagine if you could harness the potential of AI to enhance your productivity and take your work to new heights. With AI4Biz.co, that dream becomes a reality. So here's how it works. Simply enter the name of your industry or your role and click search. Within seconds, AI4Biz.co will work its magic and generate a personalized output just for you. It's like having your own AI consultant at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. AI4Biz.co doesn't stop at inspiring you with brilliant ideas. It also provides you with a selection of free tools that can boost your productivity and help you implement AI solutions seamlessly. It's like a treasure trove of resources just waiting for you to explore. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, retail, or any other field, AI4Biz.co has got you covered. It intelligently analyzes your input and presents you with real-world use cases of how AI can be applied in your specific industry. Prepare to be amazed as AI4Biz.co unlocks new doors of innovation. Imagine the impact AI could have on your daily workflow. From automating repetitive tasks to analyzing complex data patterns, AI4Biz.co opens up a world of possibilities. So why wait? Embrace the future of your industry and unlock the potential of AI with AI4Biz.co.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.